Let me ask you something. If you had started investing just $100 a month in the stock market 10 years ago, do you know how much money you'd have today? The answer might shock you. You'd be looking at over $25,000. Even though you only physically put in $12,000, the market did the rest of the work for you. And it's exactly why waiting until you know more or until you have more money could be costing you thousands every single month. Whether you're completely new to investing or you've been thinking about it for years, this video will give you everything you need to make your first investment with confidence and start building the financial future you deserve. Today, we open the DollarDoodle Archive to show you how to move from being a consumer to being an owner. Welcome to the club. What is a stock? The lemonade logic. Imagine your friend starts a lemonade stand. She needs $100 for a better juicer, but she doesn't have it. So she breaks her business into 100 little pieces called stocks. She sells you one piece for $1. Now you own 1% of the stand. If she sells a lot of lemonade, your $1 piece becomes worth $5. If she pays out thank you money to owners from her profits, that is called a dividend. When you buy a stock in a company like Apple or Amazon, you are buying a tiny piece of that giant lemonade stand. You are officially a part owner of the building, the tech, and the profit. The needle mistake. Most beginners try to find the next big thing. They try to guess which one lemonade stand will become a global success. This is like trying to find one specific needle in a giant haystack. It's stressful, and usually you get poked. But we don't look for needles. We buy the whole haystack. Instead of picking one stock, we buy an index fund. This is a single basket that holds hundreds of stocks at once. If one company fails, it doesn't matter because you own 499 others that are still working for you. The S&P 500. The best haystack for beginners is the S&P 500. It's just a list of the 500 biggest, most successful companies in the United States. When you buy this, you own a piece of everything: Disney, Google, Nike, and Microsoft. Over time, this basket has returned about 10% per year on average. It's not a magic trick. It's just the power of 500 of the world's best companies working for you while you sleep. The 3 rules of the fortress. To win, you only need to follow 3 simple rules. 1. Time is everything. As we saw in the beginning, waiting costs you money. Start with $10 if that's all you have. Just start. 2. The boring method. Don't watch the news. Buy your basket every month whether the market is up or down. This is called consistency. 3. Don't dig up the tree. Investing is like planting a tree. If you dig it up every week to check the roots, it will die. Plant it and leave it alone for years. How to start today. You don't need a fancy office or a suit. 1. Download a trusted app like Robinhood, Trade Republic, or Vanguard. 2. Search for S&P 500. 3. Buy $10 or $100 worth. That's it. Now you are an owner. To make this even easier for you, I've linked some helpful links in the description. Stop giving all your money to big companies and start letting those companies give money to you. Now, your mission. Open an investment account today. Don't even put money in yet. Just open it. Breaking the starting barrier is the hardest part. If this simplified your brain, hit the like button so the algorithm knows financial clarity matters. And if you want more protocols to build your fortress, subscribe to DollarDoodle.